Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest app features to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to delete messages on Chai app, full guide for 2025. If you've ever sent a message you regretted or just want to clean up your chat history, this tutorial is perfect for you. Chai app is a popular platform for chatting and AI interactions, and knowing how to manage your messages is key to maintaining privacy and organization. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Chai app installed on your device. Head to your App Store, update if needed, and then open the app. Log in with your account to get started. Once you're in, navigate to the conversation where the message you want to delete is located. It's usually as simple as tapping on the chat icon or scrolling through your list. Now, let's get to the main steps. Long press on the specific message you want to delete. This should bring up a menu with options like Delete or Edit. Select Delete, but hold on, there might be two types of deletion here. If you want to delete it just for yourself, choose that option. Or, if you're aiming to remove it for everyone in the chat, look for the Delete for Everyone feature, which is available if the message hasn't been seen yet. After selecting Delete, you'll likely see a confirmation pop up. Tap Yes or Confirm to proceed. Poof! The message is gone. Remember, some messages might be permanently deleted, while others could still be visible if the recipient has already viewed them. For 2025 updates, Chai app has made this process even smoother with quicker menus and better privacy controls. A quick tip: always double-check before deleting, especially in group chats, to avoid any awkward situations. If you're concerned about data security, consider enabling app-specific privacy settings in your device settings. There you have it, your complete guide to deleting messages on Chai app. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.